How to check inbox on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can check inbox on Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to check inbox on Facebook, it's actually quite very simple. You can simply open up the Facebook application. If you want to check someone's inbox, you can just tap the messenger icon here. Now if you have the messenger app, it will actually redirect it inside the messenger app. If you don't have the messenger app, it will just show it right inside the Facebook app itself without the messenger app. So just depending on what you want to do, you can select that, and then you'll be able to check all the inbox and the messages that you have received over the years. And this way you'll be able to check inbox on Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.